Hello friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download fonts on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So do a swipe up and tap on settings, then go to display. From here, you want to scroll down to where you have font size and style. You want to tap on that. Now at the top here guys, you will see the option that says font style. Tap on that. By default, you might have the default one set, but you can simply download more fonts as you wish. Just simple click on the download fonts option there, and from here you'll be taken into like a store where you can download fonts. Now here you have the top ones. Most likely you have to pay for these ones because these ones are not free. You can also go ahead and tap on top paid, which are the ones that people are paying for, which are the most likely or lovely ones that people are paying for. Then you have top free, which are the ones that you can easily download. So I'm going to download this Choco Cookie. All I have to do to download that is just simply go ahead and click on the download button to the right, and it will download and install that font for me. Let me go ahead and show you what's also in new. From new, you can go ahead and you can see all the new fonts that they have there. You can go through them. You can tap on a font to see what it looks like, get more details, and even get a small preview of what the fonts look like within the phone. You can simply go ahead and try most of them for free as well. So once you download the font guys, all you have to do is just go back to where you have font style, and you will see those font styles. So all you have to do now is just simple tap on the radio button to use a font. From here you can also play around with the font size. You can also make it bold if you so desire, and that's all there is to it guys. This is how you go ahead and download and use a font on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Very easy and very simple.